Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of fresh, lump crab meat, making sure it's well drained. Next, prepare 6 large eggs by whisking them until they are light and frothy. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Finally, finely chop 2 green onions and 1 small red bell pepper. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Carefully pick through your crab meat to ensure there are no shell fragments, then set it aside. In a separate bowl, combine your whisked eggs with 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped green onions and red bell pepper, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they soften. It's time to bring everything together. Pour the egg mixture directly into the skillet with your sautéed green onions and bell pepper. Cook the eggs, stirring gently with a spatula, until they are almost set but still look moist and creamy. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, carefully fold in the prepared crab meat, distributing it evenly throughout the eggs. Continue cooking for just 1 to 2 more minutes, ensuring the crab is heated through, without overcooking the eggs. Your delicious crab eggs are now ready to be served. For the best flavor and texture, enjoy them immediately. You can garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a few extra, chopped green onions for a beautiful presentation. These crab eggs pair wonderfully with a side of buttered toast, sliced avocado, or a crisp green salad for a complete meal. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if you're looking for great meal prep solutions, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.